HOA fee has been going up for a while now. If you guys have a condo, you may be familiar with an HOA fee, Homeowners Association. And again, you are the H in that HOA, so please stand up for your rights. But the HOA fees have been going up a lot lately for the last couple of years now due to property insurance. These buildings, they need insurance too. And with all the hurricanes and all the different storms and weathers and things that's happening, fires and floods, the insurance companies have been increasing the fees. There's actually been a lot of buildings they can't even get property insurance. It'll come back around, they go in cycles, but those have been really driving up. Property taxes have been driving up a lot more. So you've been seeing a lot of high HOA fees. We have some flips right now with one, we have $2,300 we pay a month in HOA fees. So you do get a lot of amenities, you do get things for that, HOA fees, but that thus makes it harder to buy a property. Plus, with the high interest rates, it's harder for people to afford that type of property. So just be aware of HOA fees and what can happening. Maybe a building might be doing assessment, maybe they're gonna fix the roof, and if you ever hear of assessments and they didn't manage well, they didn't put a reserve, they didn't put money on the side for any upcoming capital expenditures, that is because they mismanaged. They didn't plan for a roof, they didn't plan for this. So they're gonna come to the building owners and ask all of them, hey, we have to do this, it's coming up, you guys are gonna have to pay. And then they're gonna increase maintenance fees. And that's from mismanagement, honestly. From the years and years of working for my dad in maintenance, I used to work for his maintenance company and go to all the board meetings. If you have a good treasury, a good board, they will manage well the funds and allocate money for reserves for proper kind of things. So HOA fees, management, and all that, understand that when you're buying a property, make sure you can't really tell if you have a good board or not. Often when I'm buying a property, I will look at the condo docs and I will look right into the reserves and what they are, the minutes actually, I'll read and see what they're planning for, what's going on, anything that may be coming up. It's kind of a good tidbit to read, especially on condos. So a little ninja trick, read the condo docs that you get and you'll read the minutes, they're called, what they're talking about in the meeting minutes, if there's gonna be any kind of expenses coming up, any kind of big things coming up. And then you can check the reserves and see if they've reserved money to cover the new roof that they're gonna cost. Because now in these big, huge buildings, like those ones, they have to spend a lot of money for a new roof or spalding repairs or fire sprinklers, whatever it may be. So make sure they have a good reserve. And it stems from a good board, which you can't tell or you won't know. Maybe you get on the board and make sure you manage the money well, but enough on that. HOAs, important to understand. Aloha.